My topic is the potential benefits of adult stem cell therapy. I can speak on this topic because I have many science classes and I've been researching them for a long time. So basically, I want to tell you what stem cells are first. Stem cells are undifferentiated cells, so they don't have a function until you put them where you want them to be. So you can transplant them into your bone marrow and they'll become bone marrow cells, or you can put them into your blood and they'll become blood cells. Anywhere you put them determines their function. There are 7 different types of stem cells. There's hematopoietic, mammary stem cells, intestinal and mesenchymal stem cells, endothelial stem cells, neural and olfactory stem cells. You can get stem cells from a placenta, from fat tissue, from the umbilical cord blood. You can get it from your blood, mammary glands, bone marrow, and also from your teeth and gums. The potential benefits of adult stem cell therapy are numerous in treating cancers, conditions, diseases, and burns. So I'll start with stem cell therapy is a treatment for cancers. Stem cells can treat leukemia, blood cancers. They can treat lymphoma and multiple myeloma. The success rate for stem cell therapy in leukemia is 62% because it is actually a bone marrow transplant. So anytime anybody gets a bone marrow transplant, it is transplanting stem cells. And it actually has a lower rejection rate than most other treatments for it because you're taking stem cells from your own body and transplanting back into your own body, so you're not going to reject it. The treatment, stem cells as a treatment for diseases and conditions, they can treat a lot of different diseases and conditions effectively, especially spinal cord injuries. They can restore function to your spinal cord whenever somebody is paralyzed sometimes. There's a lot of research going into it now, and it's in clinical trials in many different places and countries. They are looking into if they can possibly regenerate neurons, which cannot regenerate themselves. So anytime you lose a neuron, it's just gone, and stem cells can possibly regenerate the neurons that you've lost. It gives hope to hopeless patients with paralysis and any kind of spinal cord or neural injury. It is very effective in treating heart disease and peripheral vascular disease. Stem cells repair damaged tissue, and they also regenerate tissue. Stem cells can rebuild their own vessel walls when placed in your heart and around your heart. So anytime you have any damaged vessel or artery, they can replace the artery and rebuild it. They reduce inflammation, but they also increase blood flow at the same time. They create their own blood vessels, and that's pretty much it for those. Stem cells can also treat diabetes type 1, and that's when your body doesn't make enough insulin for itself. So stem cells, if you put them in your pancreas, can create beta cells. They can become beta cells, which make insulin. So then whenever the stem cells become the beta cells, they'll make more insulin for your body, which really helps diabetes type 1. They can also help Parkinson's disease and liver cirrhosis. Stem cells can be a treatment for burns, just like they can be for conditions and diseases and cancers. They create skin grafts from the stem cells, and they can only be used on large burns. They make the skin grafts from adipose tissue stem cells, so fat tissue, and also mesenchymal stem cells. Some benefits from that are the loss of fluid, it prevents infection, and they repair the surrounding tissue of the burn. They have allowed for the creation of a skin gun, which is interesting because it sprays stem cells on burns or wounds, which lowers the healing time of second-degree burns from 2 to 4 weeks to a couple days, which is completely amazing. So in conclusion, stem cells obviously have so many benefits, and I couldn't fit them all into a 6-minute speech, so I had to narrow it down to the best ones. They are so effective in treating cancers and diseases and conditions that previously haven't had any successful treatments, and also burns, creating a lower healing time. So thank you.